गोयचे आदले आयजीपी सुनील गर्गाचे केशीत मुखेल सचिवान दिल्लो रिपोर्ट लोकायुक्ताक धाडून दिला. ट्रान्स्फर जाली म्हण तो सुटपाचो ना अशें म्हणून केशीत तथ्य आशिल्ल्याचे मुख्यमंत्री पार्सेकारान मान्य केला. काकोडेच्या शोभा नायक मर्डर केशीत पुलिसांचो तपास बरो चल्ला. 2 दिसां भितर ब्रेक थ्रू मेळटलो म्हणपाचे मुख्यमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकारान उलोवन दाखयला.
पूण ताची ट्रान्स्फर जेन्ना जाली तेन्ना ताका ट्रान्स्फर जाली म्हणजे ताचे वयले चार्जीस एलिमिनेट जाले आनी झिरो जाले अशें जात न्ही. ही हॅज टू कम डावन, ही हॅज टू रन डावन एवरी नाव एंड देन. सीएसान जे कितें केल्लें तें हांवें लोकायुक्ताकूच धाडपाक लायलें. इवन लोकायुक्त वॉज हँडलिंग.
that means there is some content to prima facie असो meaning जालो. काय नासतना काय कोण लोकायुक्त
for examining the same I have forwarded
prima facie case दिसली काय ना. that is what we want to know.
जे कितें आसलें तें हांवें लेट इट गो ओव्हर देर अशेंच म्हटलें.
नाही तो सुटलो तसो तर
ना सुटलो
केस जाले
ना सुटू शकना.
एक सायडीन सेलिब्रिटीचो जालो तोवूय बायल मनशाचो, दुसरे सायडीन इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन कित्याक सारकें तशें जायना. तिवूय इम्पॉर्टंटूच न्ही, दुसरी मनीस आहा ती.
ना म्हाका डिस्क्लोज करपाक लावं नाका. म्हज्या अंदाजान 1-2 दिसान तेचो आनी हय म्हज्या उलोवण्यान ते खंयचे खंय पावचे ना. इतलेंच.
स्वच्छ भारत अभियानात गोंयांत बरोच नेट धरला. पणजेच्या सिद्धार्थी गोवा हॉटेलांत शेनवारा स्वच्छता मोहीम राबयली. NIO सर्कल ते हॉटेल मेरेन ही मोहीम जाली. ती सिद्धार्थी कोर्सान घेतिल्ली. सिद्धार्थी गोवाच्या स्टाफान बीच क्लिनिंगय केले.
My name is Raghavendra Rao and I take care of the Learning and Development Department at Siddhartha Goa. Today this cleaning drive is just one of the many activities that we keep doing in support of the Swachh Bharat initiative that the Indian government has taken. And this happens on a quarterly basis. If you can look at the crowd here, it's been such an overwhelming response. We thought of it about a week ago and people have really participated in big numbers. It's been fun doing it. We keep doing this activity. Today it was the road cleaning drive from the NIO circle to our hotel. Prior to this, we did also a beach cleaning. And if you can see in about an hour's time, the amount of garbage that's being collected here. Let's all get together to make Goa clean and Goa green.
Good morning. This is the initiative which we take under Siddharth Care, which looks after the neighborhood and surrounding area cleanliness as well. I think my colleague Raghav has already spoken about it's again on the line of Swachh Bharat initiative, but Siddharth Care is something which we have started prior to that and still believe in the same.
फुडल्या वर्सा भारतात जावपी अंडर-17 फिफा वर्ल्ड कपाचे एक केंद्र म्हण फातोड्डेच्या नेहरू स्टेडियमाक फिफाची मान्यताय मेळ्ळ्या. शेनवारा सकाळी फिफाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी स्टेडियमाचे फायनल इन्स्पेक्शन केले. फिफान थारायिल्ल्या नेमाचे पालन करून स्टेडियमाचे आधुनिकीकरण जालां हे पळोवन फिफान नेहरू स्टेडियमाक वर्ल्ड कपा खातीर पात्र केलां.
This is quite an important occasion. It's the 4th inspection visit that FIFA has had to this stadium starting in 2014. A couple of inspections, then another inspection in February 2016, and the other departments who have been extremely supportive throughout this process. And given that support, given the readiness of the facilities, given that we have hosted a fantastic prior competition, we're extremely happy to say that Goa is ratified as a venue for the FIFA Under-17 World Cup. Congratulations.
Big congratulations to Goa. Thanks for all the support given by the local authorities, sports ministry and the clubs. Javier just said what I wanted to say, and we are extremely happy being here to see the huge progress has been made in all the functional areas. We're also seeing the new floodlights tower to be installed very soon, all the props. And it's a well-tested venue that we are successfully hosting the AFC Under-16. So congratulations for all the work has been done. Please keep the good work. And from FIFA side, we will also support the development of the venue readiness. We keep our close monitoring on all the developments through regular contact through Javier and his team. Thank you again for all the support.
Under 17 World Cup गोवा हेने आतांच डिक्लेअर जाल्लो आसा आनी ह्या वेळाचेर हांव फिफा ऑर्गनायझिंग कमिटी हांचे कारण आमी गोंयकार तांचे आमी मनांतल्यान आभार व्यक्त करता. गोंयांत एक बरी संदी आमकां सगळ्यांक उपलब्ध करून दिली. पण फुडल्या काळामध्ये की क्रीडा क्षेत्रामध्ये स्पोर्ट्साच्या मळाचेर सुद्दां एक ब्रँड म्हणून उबार येतले आणि जेणे करून गोंयचो फुटबॉल निश्चितपणे फुडें वचलोच.
Being part of the football ecosystem in the state for the last 50 years. This is a great matter of pride that FIFA World Cup under 17 would be played next year in Goa. I owe my gratitude to two organizations, and on behalf of AIFF, first is I would like to thank FIFA for having considered Goa to be a part, to be a valuable part of the organization of this tournament. And of course, the government of Goa, as the Honourable Minister has said, it's due to the government's efforts, due to the capabilities that have been developed around the football ecosystem, that we are able to deliver what FIFA has seen today.
तिसऱ्या ISLात आपले पहिले जैत जोडले उपरांत FC गोवाच्या पंगडात उमेदीचे ल्हार आयला. आता सोमारा घरच्या मैदानाचेर केरळा ब्लास्टर्सांक हरोवन आपल्या फॅन्सा मुखार पहिले जैत जोडपाचो हावेस प्लेयर्सांमदी आसा अशें मिडफिल्डर प्रतेश शिरोडकार म्हणटा. शुक्रारा मुंबई सिटी वांगडा जाल्ल्या बऱ्या कामगिरीत प्रतेशान बऱ्यापैकी डेब्यू केलो. FC गोवा पंगड शेनवारा सांजे मुंबईच्यान गोंयांत पावलो.
बरें खेळले आमी सगळे प्लेयर खोशी जाले जिखले आनी फॅन्सूय बरे खोशी आहा आनी आतां फोकस करता नेक्स्ट गेमीचेर 3 पॉयंट्स घेवपाक. आमी सद्याक जिखोंकूच सोदता. होम मॅच न्हू एडवांटेज आहा सपोर्टरांची. पळोवया जिखतले चडशे.
खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.